What's up, guys? Eddie Pack 14 here. Now, as you know, we got the red Miata here, and as you can also see, the interior is out. And as you can imagine, so is the engine. So we got everything out. As you can imagine, we're doing a little engine swap. Got the engine out right here. And what we're putting in is not a V8, but a V6. 2004 Mustang base model. We got the T5 from it, and we got with the auto trans. Had to go to a junkyard get this one. So we got the engine and trans for a solid $400. So now we're selling the trans. So anybody need the trans in the Memphis area for 04 Mustang, works on a GT also, let me know. And we got ourselves a good old T5. But as you can see, we got everything out. Dash, carpet, air control units and all that stuff. Because we're going to be cutting up the trans tunnel. So right now what we're going to be working on is lowering the front subframe. And we still need to lower everything in the back. But yeah, we're going to get to that. We're going to get the front subframe out. And if you're following along, I'm going to show you where to cut. I decided to start right here because from here on out is mainly fabricating and making stuff work. Just removing stuff that's not really, it's pretty self-intuitive. So I'm here to kind of show you guys other things than just taking stuff out. So I'm gonna put y'all guys over here in this little spot, and I'll show you guys what we got to do next. So if you haven't already noticed, big thing about this project is that it needs to be budget. That's the main reason why we're taking the subframe out, and also why we went with the V6 is because my plan for this project is to fabricate and make everything myself. I'm following this guide on I think it's Turbo Miata on a budget LS build. I'm using the same sort of ideas for this V6 swap, and what we're going to be doing is I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down so I can see what I'm doing, so y'all can see what I'm doing with the pressure washer, and then sort of mark out where we're going to cut. I can already tell you that it's going to be somewhere right before this crease right here, probably across, and probably somewhere around here, and just come straight down, and we're gonna like sort of box this entire subframe section out right here, and then maybe build some kind of cross brace here. I'll go ahead tune back in with y'all once I got this thing. Alright, so I went ahead and did a shallow cut just so you guys can see. The most important thing is, as you can see, how this is straight, sort of like vertically, like this. It needs to be like that because we're gonna make a plate that just comes on it like this. Same thing with over here, and as well over here. So the most important thing is try and make it a straight cut vertically. So when we put a plate on it like this, that it doesn't warp. It's not when we weld it to the subframe, it's straight, so it's not like this. Alright, so what I did here is I cut along the line, of course, but now in getting the bottom side out, what I did was I just cut along the edge here of this pinch all the way around, and then I cut off sections off from these old mounts. And so now what I'm going to do is, well, I ran out of blades, so I'm going to go get some more blades, and I'm going to continue on right here and finish out the cut on the bottom part. And then right here where the old mounts were, I think I'll have to go ahead finish off this cut right here down along, cut all underneath, and go ahead do the same on the other side over here, and do the same on the other side over here. So I'm gonna go get some more blades, and I'll be back. Alright, got the new blades. Got a pack of 3. Already put the new one on. And yeah, we're just going to get to cutting. Alrighty, here we are. We got the cutout, both top and bottom, as you can see. It's a little crooked, but it's alright. We can fill it in, put extra piece of metal here or something like that. It'll still be strong enough. But I'm gonna go ahead mark up some pieces that I need to cut out in cardboard. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all once I have them all cut out, and probably have them taped up just so you can see what you'll need. We'll probably need some overhang right here to reinforce this back piece right here. But alright, I'll get back to y'all when I am done with that. Alrighty guys, I went ahead and finished up the cardboard cutouts. There you go. As you can see, we got the 3 pieces. I labeled them the right side facing outward, left side facing outward, and the front. So I went ahead and cut them all out of 16 gauge mild steel. Chose 16 gauge is the closest thing to the stock metal that's on it right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them up on it, tack them in, and show you. Alright, so we got the pieces fully welded in here. As you can see, the metal is stained and it makes good contact all around. I know my welds aren't the best, but it gets the job done. I still have to fill in that one triangular piece that came from just the pieces kind of cut wonky. So if this happens to you too, just no problem, just fill it in with some metal, cut out a piece and fill it in. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Next time we're gonna be working on the firewall, cutting it out, making the new firewall to fit in our T5 over there. So see you guys later. Peace.
Pull up in the gold I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with the bag. Snapping with a phone and die. Boss up a man with a duster. Put him in the drip and sit blockbuster. Win, 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 that's the only ammo. Ring, ring.